Okay, spectacular. Here we go, dude. All right, so here's the intro to Fire and Rain. You're gonna start the second fret with your second finger, G string. You can put your first finger down because you're about to use it in a moment, and you slide and then play the high E. You do the same thing in reverse, slide back. Okay, then your third finger is going to land on the B string and do a very swift slide to 5. So after you've slid, you go slide 3, 5. Those are all on the same string, the B string. Then you go to the G string with your first finger, second fret, and you hammer on to 4. So that completes the first phrase. It's... Sorry, that was wrong. Now the second half is a double pull-off. First on the B string, first fret, then the G string, second fret. Like this. And the pull-off's when you strike the string, and while it's vibrating, take your finger away. Then you put it back where it was and slide 2 to 4 on the G string. So that move is. Then take that second finger back to the second fret, and then build around it in F and just go. So the second half is. There's the whole intro. Okay, now when you're strumming this week, you can do down, down, up, down, and practice just without the vocal first. Several rounds this way so you get acclimated to the strum pattern, not doing too many or too few on any chord. You notice I'm capable at 5, and then try singing like this. Just yesterday morning they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. Woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. Okay, now for this chorus we need to work on your guitar part alone. Take a C chord and practice just the right hand going A down, A down, A down, D down. Do it without looking at the right hand. That's the crucial thing. Practice doing this blind. And then when you actually do the walk down the left hand, don't look right. Look at your left hand and make sure your first finger stays put. When you get to the G, just strum. Not looking at the left hand. Practice the same thing here. Just go on the F chord, just do 4 down, 4 down, 4 down, and then put it to the progression, leaving your first finger in place until the D minor. Again. So when you're singing to this, the first line lines up perfectly like this. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. But the next two, there's a vocal pickup. I've seen sunny. So it doesn't start on the I've or the seen, but kind of like right before he says sunny. I've seen sunny days when I thought would never end. Same thing here. I've seen is a setup. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. Now the F lines up really nicely with always. But I always thought that I'd see you again. So I'll do the whole chorus here. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. And you can do the next verse. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? That's it, dude. Have fun.